plus cos c by 2 can be written as cos c by 2 here. Cos c by 2 can be written as sine of a plus b by 2. I think there is no problem with the first step. This type of pi minus a by 4, pi minus b by 4, pi minus c by 4, take like this. Next one, apply formula for these two terms. Cos c plus cos b is 2 cos a plus b by 2 by 2, that is a plus b by 4 cos a minus b by 4 formula. And then sin 2a formula is 2 sin a by 2. A is this, by 2 is a plus b by 4. Cos a by 2 is cos of a plus b by 4. Okay, right. Take 2 cos a plus b by 4 common. 2 cos a plus b by 4 common. Remaining is cos of a by 4 minus b by 4 plus sin of a plus b by 4. Next one, I can write it as 2 sin 2 cos a plus b by 4 is a plus b by 4 is pi minus c by 4. A plus b by 4 is pi minus c by 4. Okay, this is the formula I'm going to apply here. And then I'll write this term here. What is sin theta? Cos of 90 minus theta. Minus theta is minus of a by 4 b by 4 minus a by 4 minus b by 4. Can you get it? Sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. And then plus cos of, I'll write this term here. Cos of a by 4 minus b by 4. For some time, you consider this as c. This as c and this as d. So what is sin c plus sin d? You are very easy. Don't get tensed here while doing, so that if you get tensed, you won't learn this problem. So very easy problem. 2 cos c plus b by 2, that is pi by 2 minus a by 4 minus b by 4 plus a by 4 minus b by 4. C plus d by 2, right? And then cos of c minus d, that is pi by 2 minus a by 4 minus b by 4 is c. Minus d means minus a by 4 plus b by 4 minus theta. For this, if you take minus a by 4 minus of minus plus b by 4. There ends the problem here. Almost work completed. So 2 into 2, 4 cos pi minus c by 4 here. This a by 4 gets cancelled with the plus a by 4 minus b by 4 minus b by 4 is minus b by 2. Pi minus b by 2 by 2 by 2 is cos of pi minus b by 4. And this is cos of pi minus a by 4. Since b gets cancelled here. B gets cancelled by 2. Or by 2. Okay. So answer is 4 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. This is the RHS. Okay. Next problem. Go for next problem. In triangle ABC, prove sin a by 2 plus sin b by 2 plus sin c by 2 is equal to sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 can be written as 1 plus this is 1 plus 4 sin pi minus a by 4 sin pi minus b by 4 sin pi minus c by 4. We have to prove this. Same process, same process. You're taking a plus b is equal to pi minus c. A plus b by 4 is equal to pi minus c by 4. And then a plus b by 2, what is the value of a plus b by 2? That is 90 minus c by 2. 90 minus c by 2. If you take sine on both cos a plus b by 2, what is the value of cos a plus b by 2? Cos of 90 minus c by 2 is sin c by 2. In place of sin c by 2, you have to write. So first term, first step as that of last problem. Can you answer? So this is LHS. Sin a by 2 plus sin b by 2 is the first term. I consider this as a unit. And then this as cos of 90 minus c by 2. This is 2 sin a plus b by 4. isn't it? 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, c minus 2, a minus b by 2 by 2, by 4, right? And then for this, I apply the formula as here it is 1 plus. So 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2. A by 2 is pi by 4 minus c by 4. Isn't it? Pi minus c by 2 by 2. Pi minus c by 4. So I write into 1 first of all. 1 plus 2 sine whatever else is there, I write as it is. A plus b by 4 cos a minus b by 4 minus sine pi minus c by 4 2 times, and then sine pi minus c by 4 square is there, no other 2 times. So now so that I can take minus common, minus 2 sine a plus b by 4 common. So remaining is minus 2 sine pi minus c by 4 common. So I write in the sine pi minus c by 4 here, and then here 2 sine a plus b by 4 taken common. So minus cos a minus b by 4. Okay, right. This is equal to 1 minus 2 sine a plus b by 4 can written as pi minus c by 4. Pi minus c by 4 can be written as sine of a plus b by 4 minus cos of a minus b by 4. You can write directly here, this type of directly, if you are good enough, else do slowly, right? Next step is 1 minus 2 sine pi minus c by 4. What is sine theta? This is the cos of 90 minus theta. Minus theta is as that of the before problem. A minus b by 4 minus b by 4. Minus theta. Theta is a plus b by 4. Minus theta is minus a by 4 minus b by 4. Minus cos of a minus b by 4 can be written as a by 4 minus b by 4. So I brought it into earlier problem. So I have to apply formula slowly. 2 sine pi minus c by 4. Formula for this cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sine c plus d by 2. That is a pi by 2 minus a by 4 minus b by 4 plus a by 4 minus b by 4 is d by 2. And then sine of pi by 2 minus a by 4 minus b by 4 is c. Minus d becomes minus a by 4 minus of minus plus b by 4 by 2. Right? So you can do this as the last step. 1 plus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. Sine of pi minus c by 4. Next one is sine here. This a by 4 gets cancelled with plus a by 4. Minus b by 4 minus b by 4 is minus b by 2. Pi by 2 minus b by 2 by 2 is pi minus b by 4. Similarly, sine of, if b by 4 gets cancelled, a by 4 minus a by 4 is minus a by 2. Pi minus a by 2 by 2 is pi minus a by 4. So writing last step as the answer, there is nothing but RHS. So an important problem here is equal to 180 degrees. What is a plus b? 180 minus c. If I take sine on both sides, sine of a plus b is equal to sine c. What is cos of a plus b? Cos of a plus b is equal to cos of 180 minus c is minus cos. So if sine c is there, you can write it as sine of a plus b. For sine of a plus b, you can write sine c. Cos of a plus b minus cos c minus cos a plus b. This is the thing required. Take LHS. Take LHS. What is LHS? Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. We know that sine 2a plus sine 2b formula, and then for sine 2c formula. Two formulas. One is sine 2a plus sine 2b is 2 sine cos, and then sine 2a formula is 2 sine c cos c. This is the first step. So what is sin A plus sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. That is 2A plus 2B by 2. And then cos 2A minus 2B by 2. Sin A plus sin B is 2 sin cos C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2, right? This nothing but 2 sin A plus B. There is cos A minus B. Dividing with the 2, we'll get A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. What is sin of A plus B? Sin of A plus B is sin C. I replace sin of A plus B, underline part, with the sin C, and cos C with minus cos A plus B. Okay, now change these two things. And A plus B is converted to C. That is sin A plus B is sin C, cos of A minus B, and then plus 2 sin C as it is. 1C, only 1C is converted, that is cos C is converted to minus cos A plus B. Almost 90% of the problem is over. There is when you take 2 sin C common, the remaining is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. Formula 2 sin A sin B. Certainly you need sin C plus sin D, sin 2C, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D formulas, and then cos 2C is equal to 2 cos square C minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square C. These are the formulas required for this method. So answer is 4 sin A sin B sin C. That is RHS, which is nothing but RHS. Okay. Next we'll go for next method, the next problem. Second one. In triangle ABC, prove. So cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C problem is that we have to prove that it is equal to 1 plus 4 sin A sin B sin C. You can do it as homework. Since you can do that, here we have to prove that cos A plus cos B minus cos C, not 2A to B to C. It is cos A cos B cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Look here, it is off angle. So A plus B plus C, we have to do this work. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is 90 degrees. What is A plus B by 2? There is 90 minus C by 2. So what is sine of A plus B by 2? Sine of A plus B by 2 is sine of 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. So if sine of A plus B by 2 is there, cos C by 2, we can write the cos of A plus B by 2 as sin C by 2. Very simple thing. Simple transformations. Right? I taking LHS here for answer. To answer, I take LHS. What is LHS? Cos A plus cos B and then plus cos C. So I'll write in the formula for cos A plus cos B. There is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. And then cos C in terms of sine, 2 sin square C by 2 minus 1. Formula for cos C. So cos C formula here, and then cos A plus cos B formula here. These two things required in order to solve this. So what is this 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and I can write minus 1 here, then plus, so that it becomes easy, and then I have to write in the 2 sin C by 2 as 2 sin C by 2 into sin C by 2. I will convert 1 c by 2, sin c by 2 to, what is sin c by 2 here? Cos of a plus b by 2, and then cos of a plus b by 2 as sin c by 2. I use only this. Look here, this is minus 1. Cos a plus b by 2 as taken as sin c by 2. And remaining part is cos of a minus b by 2 as it is. And then 2 sin c by 2 as it is. And 1 sin c by 2. Sin c by 2 can be written as cos of a plus b by 2. Okay. A plus b by 2 is 2c by 2. C by 2 to a plus b by 2. This is the transformation required here. Simple problem. This is minus 1 plus, if you take 2 sin c by 2 common, you can observe this. Cos of a minus b by 2 can be written as a by 2 minus b by 2 for convenience sake. And then plus cos of a plus b by 2 can be written as a by 2 plus b by 2. Okay. So answer is minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2. And then this is 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Formula cos c plus d plus cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b formula. 2 cos a cos b formula. You have to learn those 8 formulas in order to solve all these problems. So there is second problem, which is nothing but RHS. Simple, no? So a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. A plus b by 2 is 90 minus c by 2. Cos of a plus b by 2 is sin c by 2. Cos a plus cos b formula, cos c formula. And then cos of a plus b by 2 to sin c by 2, sin c by 2 to cos of a plus b by 2 here. And then taking sin c by 2 common, we'll get into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, or cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is 2 cos a cos b. That's next problem. Next one, a plus b second method is off angle. And then a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Go for third one. In a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Prove sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c is equal to 2 sin a sin b cos c. Okay. So let us look at it in the problem. Here no off angles. Directly a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Here I'm going to apply sin square b minus sin square c formula. So I'll write it as b plus c can be written as 180 minus a. Sin b plus c is equal to sin of 180 minus a is sin a. Sin a plus b is equal to sin c, sin b plus c is equal to sin a, sin c plus a is equal to sin b. That's the formula. If you take cos of b plus c is equal to minus cos a. Cos of a plus b is equal to minus cos a. Let us take LHS here to answer. Take LHS. What is LHS? Sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c. This is nothing but sin square a can be written as sin a into sin a. Sin square b minus sin square c is sin b plus c into sin b minus c. Formula you have to learn to answer this problem. Sin square a minus sin square b is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. First formula applied. So now look here. What is the sin of b plus c? Sin of b plus c is sin a. What is sin a? Sin of b plus c. I use only this here. So convert one sin a. I write one sin a here. One sin a to b plus c is sin of b plus c. And 1 b plus c is converted here. B plus c to sin a. This is sin a into sin of b minus c. I think the third problem will clear you many things. A to b plus c to a. Now if you take a sin a common, the remaining thing is sin of b plus c plus sin of b minus c. Right? What is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b? There is 2 sin a, that is 2 sin b cos c. That's the formula. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is 2 sin a cos b. This is nothing but RHS. Is it clear? So a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So sin b plus c is equal to sin a That's the problem. End of the problem. Next, go for fourth one. That's given for you. Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to, we have to prove that it is equal to 2 plus 2 cos, cos no, it is 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. 2 plus 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Go for this problem. Same. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Same value. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Sorry. And then a plus b is nothing but 180 minus c. A by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Sine of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos c by 2. And the cos of a plus b by 2 is sin c by 2. So you must do this work for each and every problem. For each and every problem. Don't hesitate this. This is important. To get answer, this is important. So answer, let us take LHS. Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Look here, bluntly I've given just a trick to use this. 2 is there. Change two trigonometric functions. If it is sine, first term and last term. If it is cos, second and third term. I change the two trigonometric ratios. I mean, cos square b by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square b by 2. Cos square c by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square c by 2. Look here. I'll write in the first step as cos square a by 2 plus 1 minus sin square b by 2 plus 1 minus sin square c by 2. This is the transformation. 2 is there. So change two terms, the two second and third terms. If it is in terms of sine, change first and last term. Okay, right. Sine first trigonometric function is sine, change first and last term. Second trigonometric function is cos, change second and third term. Right. If it is in terms of sine, we have to change first and third. Since it is a cos, 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 change second and third terms. Okay. Right. Next, 1 plus 1 is 2. Remaining part is as it is cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. I take these two terms as a unit and apply the formula. What do we know formula? Cos square a minus sin square b is cos of a plus b, that is a plus b by 2, a by 2 plus b by 2. Cos of a minus b, cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2, sin c by 2. Now change 1 cos a plus b by 2, a plus b by 2 to c by 2. This is the formula, that is sin c by 2. No doubt. Is cos of a minus b by 2 as it is, no formula here. 1 sin c by 2 as it is. Change another c by 2 to a plus b by 2. That is sin c by 2 here. This sin c by 2 can be written as cos of a plus b by 2. Okay. Now what we can take common is sin c by 2. If you take common, remaining is cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Look into the formula, cos of a minus b by 2 minus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. That is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. So 2 plus 2 sin c by 2. The formula is, I'll write here itself. This is 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. Okay. So look here, there is 2 plus 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So there is RHS. Very simple problem. You can try this.